Welcome to Canvas Grades and SpeedGrader. In this portion, we will be discussing assignment column details. Each column in the gradebook represents a published assignment in the assignments page. Each column displays the assignment title, total points, and each student's grade. To view the assignment, click the name of the assignment. For each assignment, you can hover over the column header and view the assignment menu. The assignment menu allows the following options: sort assignments by grade or status, meaning missing or late. It allows for you to access the SpeedGrader for assignments that students have submitted work for. You can message students who fit within specific assignment criteria, such as students who have not submitted their assignment yet, students whose submitted work has not been graded yet, students who have scored less than a particular indicated grade, or students who have scored more than a particular indicated grade. It is important to note any messages sent using this option do appear within the Canvas inbox. Additionally, you can curve grades. An important note here is that once you curve a grade, it cannot be undone. It is a permanent change. You can set a default grade. This could be helpful for assigning participation points or complete or incomplete assignments. It sets a default grade for all students that you can then go in and manually change if needed. You can hide or post grades for the assignment. You can enter grades as a specific value, whether it's points or percentages. If you have a grading schema set up for the course, this option is only for grading convenience and does not affect the actual grade and has to be set up under course settings. And you can also view your grade posting policy. Thank you for watching. For more information, please visit clt.odu.edu.